life is actually busy, right? Still, what made you to choose the Interact on the top in your life?
So first of all, thank you so much for having me, sir. Thank you so much, Nagesh, sir. It's true, busy. There is a lot of things that you do when you're in high school, and right now, actually, in our generation, mostly kids are taking up so many extracurriculars. We're doing so many things, not just academics. So for me to keep Interact at the top was because I learned something so important due to Interact, which was empathy. And I think that Interact was this journey truly. When I started, I was 12 and I started when I was in 8th grade. I remember when our principal had introduced the Interact Club concept and Rotary, and I did not know about it back then. But when I researched about it, when I took upon projects, it was a journey that I will always honor, because the way it has changed my perspective, the way I've become more aware about what's going on in my community, what's going on globally. I think that has truly, established that sense of empathy in me. To see that, thank you, to see that people around us, not everyone is as privileged as you think you are, like even I have realized how privileged I am to have a home and to have loving parents. Not everyone has that, and to have that, you know, feeling to be instilled in you, to realize and to see that there are people out there who don't have what you have. And so empathy has truly been instilled in me, and that is why I kept Interact at the top, because it was a home for me for all of the things I love. Being a Kathak dancer, which, by the way, to see the Kathak performance which was shown earlier today, it was incredible. And that speaks a lot about Rotary, how we celebrate everything. We don't just celebrate service, we serve culture. We really look towards culture as well. And I even do music and I do theater. I'm sort of a person who tries to involve myself in a lot of things. So Interact truly does look towards that, and that's why I kept Interact at top.
Thank you very much. And music and dance is a way of life. Maybe any recent project where we participated, any recent project that created any impact on the society or you?
So in our Interact Club, we recently visited an NGO, and I very clearly remember this one moment. I was with my two other, best friends, and we went over to this one kid who was at a desk, and we had crayons, and we played with her, we talked with her. I think that was one moment that I talked about empathy earlier. That really made me realize, okay, wow, like even spending 2 minutes with someone, you don't know how much those 2 minutes could mean to someone. They could mean so much, and that also brought happiness to me. To see others happy, that's one thing I've also realized with Interact. To see others happy and to create that kind of an environment where there are so many challenges, and challenges does not see any borders. But to be able to be there and to be happy and to share those moments and forget about those challenges for a moment and realize that we all are humans. We all are humans at the end of the day. So that project, really, I will always remember it for sure.
Beautiful.